Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This week in AWS updates we've got some fantastic news, seamless environment updates in Amazon More without interrupting running tasks, the launch of Red Hat Enterprise Linux optimized for AWS, and Kubernetes 1.33 support on EKS bringing key new features. Plus, cool enhancements like automatic mounting of S3 buckets on EC2, smarter cost estimation with AWS pricing calculator, and groundbreaking improvements in compute, storage, and AI integrations. Stick around, because whether you're an architect, developer, or cloud enthusiast, you'll want to hear these top 20 highlights that are powering the future of AWS Cloud. 1. Amazon One now supports graceful environment updates without task interruption. Amazon Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow, MWAA, is making life easier by allowing you to update your environments without stopping your running tasks, available for Airflow versions 2.4.3 and later. This means your workflows stay up and running during the update, reducing downtime and operational headaches. A huge win for data engineers and pipeline reliability. 2. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, for AWS is now generally available. RHEL 10 for AWS is here, optimized specifically for AWS infrastructure with pre-tuned images, integrated CloudWatch telemetry, enhanced security, and best-in-class networking. If you're looking to run enterprise workloads with stability and cloud-native performance, this is your go-to Linux distro, now widely available in all commercial and GovCloud regions. 3. Amazon EKS and EKS distro now support Kubernetes 1.33. Stay ahead with Kubernetes 1.33 on Amazon EKS. This release brings stable support for sidecar containers, topology-aware routing, and in-place pod scaling. Plus, better Linux pod namespace isolation and network improvements. You can now upgrade your clusters seamlessly and unlock these productivity and security features across all supported regions. 4. AWS Pricing Calculator General Availability, now including discounts and commitments. Budgeting just got smarter. The AWS Pricing Calculator now shows cost estimates factoring in discounts like savings plans and reserved instances, giving you a crystal clear view of your potential savings. Export detailed CSV or JSON reports to simplify financial planning and optimize your cloud spend like a pro. 5. Amazon EKS introduces configuration insights for hybrid nodes. Running hybrid clusters? Amazon EKS now offers configuration insights for hybrid nodes, automatically scanning for misconfigurations and offering clear remediation steps. This accelerates troubleshooting and keeps your cluster healthy, especially in mixed on-prem and cloud environments. 6. Mount Point for Amazon S3 adds automatic bucket mounting via FSTAB. Mount Point for S3 just got a huge usability boost with automatic mounting support through FSTAB. No more manual mounts after reboot, just set it once and your EC2 instance reconnects to your S3 bucket automatically every time it boots. This saves time and minimizes errors for sysadmins managing large fleets. 7. Amazon Redshift enables default cluster relocation for RA3 clusters. Amazon Redshift now automatically enables cluster relocation for RA3 cluster deployments and restores. This lets your cluster move across availability zones if resource issues arise, keeping the same endpoint and avoiding application disruptions. A big leap in high availability and resilience. 8. AWS CDK Toolkit Library hits general availability. Developers rejoice, the AWS CDK Toolkit Library is now generally available, letting you programmatically manage synth, deploy, and destroy operations as part of your custom workflows and apps. This opens new doors for integrating CDK functionality directly into your C/CD pipelines and developer tools. 9. Amazon Game Lift Server SDK is now open source on GitHub. Game developers can now access Amazon Game Lift Server SDKs for C++, C#, and Go on GitHub, alongside Unreal and Unity plugins. This move fosters faster integration, community collaboration, and easier troubleshooting, making it simpler than ever to build and scale multiplayer game backends. 10. Amazon FSx for Lustre launches Intelligent Tiering Storage class. FSx for Lustre now offers intelligent tiering for Lustre storage, providing fully elastic, low-cost scaling optimized for mixed hot and cold data workloads. This automatically adjusts capacity and tiering for HPC and AI workloads, slashing costs while maintaining high performance, a game changer for storage efficiency. 11. Amazon EMR boosts Apache Spark with full table access on lake formation tables. EMR enhances Spark jobs with the ability to perform full read/write operations on lake formation tables, enabling advanced ETL workflows and interactive analytics while respecting table-level security. This empowers data teams to build more complex pipelines with Apache Spark seamlessly. 12. New Model Context Protocol (MCP) servers for AWS serverless and containers released. AWS introduces MCP servers for Lambda, ECS, EKS, and Finch, providing AI-powered code assistance with real-time, contextual AWS service knowledge. This accelerates development by automating best practices in configurations, infrastructure, and integration, making AI-assisted cloud development a reality. 13. Amazon S3 Express One Zone adds granular access controls via S3 access points. S3 Express One Zone storage class now supports S3 access points for fine-grained permissions by prefixes or API actions. Perfect for enforcing strict, role-based access policies in latency-sensitive apps while controlling cross-account access with tight restrictions. 14. AWS Amplify Hosting supports customizable build instances. Amplify now lets you pick from multiple build instance sizes, standard, large, and extra large, matching memory and CPU to your application requirements. Optimizing your build environment means faster builds and better resource efficiency, available across 20 regions worldwide. 15. AWS Security Hub adds support for NIST SP 800-171 Rev 2 compliance checks. For customers managing controlled unclassified information, AWS Security Hub now offers automated security checks aligned with updated NIST SP 800-171 Revision 2 standards to help maintain compliance with industry-required cybersecurity controls across all supported AWS regions including GovCloud. 16. Amazon Neptune database now available in Canada West, Calgary, and Asia Pacific, Melbourne. Amazon's Fast Graph database service, Neptune, expands its reach with new region support. These regions now support popular instance types and latest engine versions, helping customers build globally distributed, high-performance graph applications closer to their end users. 17. Amazon OpenSearch service adds support for custom script plugins. OpenSearch lets you add new scripting languages or custom functions for scoring, sorting, and transformations by uploading script plugins. This customization deepens search capabilities and analytics, supporting smarter and more precise data insights right within OpenSearch. 18. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus extends query time range to 95 days. Users of Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus can now run queries over nearly 3 months of data, a big step up from the previous 32-day limit, enabling longer-term trends, month-over-month analyses, and historical incident investigations to improve monitoring and troubleshooting. 19. AWS CloudTrail Lake now supports event enrichment and larger event sizes. CloudTrail Lake adds event enrichment so you can tag and categorize events with business context for better security investigation and compliance. Also, events can now be up to 1 megabyte in size, quadrupling previous limits and allowing more complete visibility into API activity for deep analysis. 20. AWS Data Sync simplifies cross-cloud data transfers, no agent needed. Data Sync now supports direct transfers between AWS S3 and other cloud providers' storage like Google Cloud and Azure, without deploying Data Sync agents. This accelerates cloud migrations and data pipelines, especially for very large datasets, while boosting performance and simplifying setup. And that's your AWS Weekly Update, packed with critical new features and improvements that help you innovate, optimize, and secure your cloud environments even more effectively. If you found this roundup valuable, hit that like button, share it with your cloud community, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things AWS every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.